What's your motivation?
My motivation is
Okay, we'll open on 30th, right? Yes, please. Okay, next.
What do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? You should ask this question excitedly. What do you do for fun?
I go outside with my friends for fun and enjoy myself.
Good.
One thing you want to change in yourself.
The one thing that I want to change in myself is that I want to become a timekeeper.
Good.
Would you be willing to work nights and weekends?
I am doing nothing special at weekend, but I'm doing studying regarding my studies.
My question is, would you be willing to work in nights and weekends?
Yeah. Would you be willing to work at night and on the weekends also?
Yes, I am willing to work at night because I was working as a servant in many companies and I have many experiences in different companies. So that's why I am willing to work at night.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. Keep it up. Huh?